Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claudia and today I got this glitter orangey sort of sunset makeup tutorial for you guys. So much of you requested for me to do a tutorial on this look, so without further ado, let's get started. After my face is prepped and primed, I'm gonna go in with this foundation and I'm just gonna pop this everywhere on my face. And then I'm gonna spread them out evenly with this flat brush. And then I'm gonna use this beauty blender to make sure it's all blended out nicely. Next, I'm going to use this concealer to highlight the area of my face that I want to be more prominent. And then I want to conceal any hyperpigmentation or blemishes. And then I'm going to use the beauty blender to blend them out. For the contour, I'm going to use this contour sticks from Fenty Beauty and I'm going to apply it to the area below my cheekbones, starting from my ears, ending in the middle of my cheeks. Along sides of my forehead and temple, my jawline, and also my nose. And then I'm going to use a beauty blender and tap over the area of the contour and merging it with the base of the foundation. Next, I'm just gonna bake my under eye with this Laura Mercier translucent powder. And then dust it off all over my face. Next, I'm gonna use my current favorite eyebrow pencil from Muji to fill in my brows. Next, I'm going to brush it out with a spoolie to make that gradient effect. Next, I'm going to use this concealer from NARS as the base of my eyeshadow. First, I'm going to start off with that bright yellow shade, and this is going to be a transition shade of this eye look. I'm just putting it on my crease and blend it up towards near my eyebrows so that it gives that gradient effect. Next, I use this orange shade and putting it directly into my crease and blend it up slowly without covering that yellow shade. To make that orange shade pops up a little bit more, I'm going to use this bronze palette from Kylie Cosmetics, and you just want all the shades to blend gradually. To darken my outer corner, I'm going to use this dark brick color. And then I'm going to use this color to blend out the crease and the outer corner. And to make that yellow shade pops up a little bit more, I'm going to use it to blend out my crease. To make the eye appear more alive, I'm going to use this glitter eyeshadows from Stila and pop it on the middle of the eyelid. And for this look, I combined the shade Kitten Karma and Smoldering Satin. Next, I'm gonna create a cat eye with this eyeliner. And then I'm gonna apply these falsies to make the eye appear bigger and fresher. And then I'm gonna pop this glitter eyeshadow in Kitten Karma on the inner corner. Next, I'm gonna use this bronzer from Too Faced to contour my face. Next, I'm gonna use this matte blush in Coppertone. It's not really pigmented, but I'm obsessed with the shade. For the highlight, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty highlighter in Mean Money and Hustler Baby. Lastly, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss Lipstick in Satin Nude. I'm obsessed with this color and I've been using it every day. So here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoy and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!